Begin by washing a coin with water and sugar, then place it in your bag and observe what happens. Today, I want to demonstrate a simple yet powerful technique that can help you attract money quickly. Abundance and prosperity are energies that you can channel through methods involving sugar, visualizations, and affirmations. To achieve success with these rituals, it's crucial to maintain a respectful relationship with money and align your thoughts with your actions. If you constantly dwell on debts, even if they exist only in your thoughts, you give more significance to scarcity, which is what you may attract into your life. Before we proceed, I'd like to remind newcomers to the channel that you can subscribe for free and activate the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos.
Now, let's go over the materials you'll need. A spoonful of sugar, 3 coins, a glass filled halfway with tap water, a lemon, and a green candle. To begin, take a few minutes to cultivate a positive attitude and mentality. Once you're ready with your positive energy, we can commence the technique. Start by squeezing the juice of 1 lemon into the glass of water and adding the spoonful of sugar. Holding a coin in your right hand, repeat this affirmation. I thank the energies of the universe for attracting wealth to my home. Then drop the coin into the prepared glass. Repeat this process with the other 2 coins, each time affirming your openness to prosperity and your ability to discover new ways to attract money. The combination of sugar to attract positive energies, water as a purifier and source of well-being, and lemon as a cleanser of negative energies that hinder your financial flow makes these ingredients powerful and effective in attracting money. Next, light the green candle with a wooden match and place it beside the glass containing the coins. Recite the following prayer. Powerful and glorious Apostle Saint Jude Thaddeus, I approach you with great faith, seeking your intercession in my financial troubles. Please, with your generous mercy, help me overcome the economic challenges that burden me. Do not forsake me, as I deserve both health and wealth. May money stay with me as the universe conspires for my prosperity. I express my gratitude in advance for delivering me from these troubles and granting me the peace I seek. Amen. Allow the candle to burn until it extinguishes itself. Then, place the glass with the 3 coins in a location where it won't be disturbed for 3 days. Optionally, cover it with a plastic bag to keep ants away. After the 3 days, you can retrieve the coins. Keep one as an amulet in your bag or wallet and spend the other 2. Dispose of the lemon juice near a plant to conclude the technique. Now, I'll introduce you to a powerful bath using coffee and sugar to attract prosperity and work. You'll need a handful of ground coffee and 2 tablespoons of white or brown sugar. Perform this bath for 3 consecutive days, choosing any day regardless of the lunar phase. The time of day isn't critical, but your willingness to improve your life is essential. To prepare the coffee bath, heat approximately 1 liter of water, mineral, rainwater, or bottled, in a pot over low heat. Once it begins to boil, add the coffee and sugar. Let it simmer for 5 to 6 minutes, then remove it from the heat and let it cool. In the shower, ensure the water is at a comfortable temperature. Begin by rinsing your body, then pour the ritualized water from head to toe. Afterward, soap up and rinse as usual. This coffee bath is especially beneficial for those seeking employment or looking to attract more clients if they have a business. It's important to understand that these rituals work in conjunction with your thoughts, ideas, and prayers, but the most crucial aspect is taking action in line with your intentions. Before I conclude, Please share your relationship with money in the comments of this video. That's all for today, and I hope you find this information helpful in attracting money into your life. If you found it valuable, feel free to share this video on your social networks. Wishing you the best, and I hope you are well.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.